think I can safely say that Dentistry from the Heart had a tremendous impact on everyone involved. Not only did it provide necessary dental care to those in need, it also touched people in a way that far exceeded their expectations. I witnessed a variety of emotions throughout the day in different areas of the office. There were some patients who were pleasantly surprised that their dental care really was free. Others were literally moved to tears because Babylon Dental Care had made such a difference for them. There were patients in pain, patients facing financial challenges severe enough that they were forced to neglect their dental hygiene, some who wanted to introduce their friends and family to our office, and even some who just wanted to be part of this selfless event. One patient hugged me with tears in her eyes as she left after having a tooth extracted. She was touched beyond words. Although the enthusiasm and gratefulness of the patients was quite apparent, I found myself greatly moved by the spirit and generosity of the doctors and staff. Everyone at Babylon Dental Care was eager to donate their time and skill for the event. They showed real concern, warmth, and love for each patient, combined with a sincere and genuine desire to help. Our office takes great pride in ensuring that every patient feels special and important. This was never more evident than it was during Dentistry from the Heart. The interaction between patients and staff was both touching and heartfelt. It clearly exuded what the Babylon Dental Care family is all about. I believe the day was not only a huge success, but a very special gift for everyone involved.
My name is Eileen Markowski, and my husband Joe and I attended the free event that Babylon Dental provided. First of all, my expectations were that we needed to get there early because this was such a great opportunity. And also from the things that I had heard from friends, I expected cordial treatment, professional business, as well as a friendly atmosphere. We signed in, and it was a very hot day, and so much was provided for. They provided us with cold bottles of water while we were standing outside. Everything was very proficient. We signed up, lined up. They moved us in very quickly to get us registered, and there was really no waiting. I was moved right into an office to be taken care of. It was Dr. Gaines. I had a loose filling that had been bothering me for a couple of years, so I had it refilled.
I can only say that that day was as enjoyable to me as any day I spend with my patients at Babylon Dental Care. And what impresses upon me the most is when a patient leaves my chair and says that their visit with me was the most thorough hygiene visit they've ever had, and they thank me. And this held true for Dentistry from the Heart, as well as every other day I come to work, and I'm proud to say it. One gentleman in particular said when he was finished how impressed he was I spotted something suspicious in his mouth. That has actually been bothering him, but he didn't want to mention it to me because he wanted to see if I knew what I was doing. And this, of course, made me laugh, but just enforced the fact that we do the right thing here. And he left a happy person who will return because we know what we are doing.
That I really appreciated the opportunity to be able to take care of things, take care of dental issues this way. Again, not having dental insurance with the bad economy, and when money is already tight, to be able to take care of something that's been put on the back burner for a long time was really a blessing for us.
As I pulled my cart in the rear parking lot, I didn't know what to expect. I envisioned the town of Babylon lining up for free dentistry. I entered the rear of the building, and most of the staff was already there, and the office was buzzing. The air was electric with excitement, and everyone was in a good mood. As the patients started lining up, I saw that we were quite organized and everything was running efficiently. I saw 5 patients for cleanings. All the patients were quite polite and grateful for free services. It was very gratifying for me to help out, and it made me feel good to do my part. As I was leaving, I saw Dr. Brown, and he had this look on his face. He was smiling. The look was of contentment, satisfaction, and pride that he was giving back to the community. We are a great team, and I'm proud to be part of this family.
Dentistry from the Heart was a memorable day. I treated many different people that day, and each of them had a story to tell, but there was one gentleman that I met early in the morning whose story I will never forget. This particular patient came in with the hopes of getting one of his many dental issues addressed free of charge, and was delighted when, upon completing a filling, the treating doctor and assistant asked if he would like to have a cleaning that day as well. He couldn't believe his luck in being able to have 2 costly dental procedures completed for free. When he was seated for his cleaning, I introduced myself and asked him how he heard about our event. That's when he started to tell me his story of hardship and sacrifice. He had found out about our event online through a financial assistance website. He explained that he has been going through a difficult divorce and custody battle. He lost custody of his 9-year-old son, and soon afterwards, his ex-wife dropped out of the picture, leaving him alone to care for their son. Having no one else to help him, he had to give up his full-time job. This decision put him in dire straits, and he was forced to swallow his pride and collect financial assistance. He does not regret the decisions he has made in an effort to give his son as much as he could, but in doing so, he lost his health insurance and he has neglected his own health. He had been struggling with toothaches and discomfort for some time and did not have the financial means to address it. When he heard about the event, he was hesitant to come until his 9-year-old son told him that morning, "Daddy, you should go because you need to take care of yourself." After telling me that, he was a little too emotional to continue his story. That Sunday morning, I met many grateful patients, but that gentleman in particular was very thankful and completely blown away by the generosity of Babylon Dental Care. He was the only person to ask me, "Why are we doing this?" At first, I didn't know how to answer him, but then I thought about it for a minute and I said, "Because we can. Because I am lucky enough to work with people who believe in giving back to the community." As he was finished with his cleaning, he told me that he really believed in paying it forward, as we did for him. That gentleman inspired me to keep going all day long and giving all that I could to whoever needed it, in spite of my backache or fatigue. I left that day with a smile on my face, exhausted but proud, knowing that I made a difference for someone else.